Buya bari mjini mikuru mkuru gwo kutongoza ikigombe cya Kanzali Economic Empowerment Program KEEP mukasheshekeri izuba hacishaye cya Busesa Playground Birikibare District. Minister w'ihanga aba Public Service Honorable Minister Mary Mugasa yasimu mubimbizi w'ihanga His Excellency General Kaguta Museveni abwente kateka nunji ya sente z'ebimerika ya Parish Development Model ya kugirango ihwerere nga abanyayuganda mboringo nugogumwe yasimo munyeshengero ababuyanja East Dr. Emily Kugonza abwenteka nungeje yatandikire yo kwereza za sako z'abantu miliyoni 50 mu tekateke ya Kanzali sako zihwerira abantu abebyaro 200 muri Kibare District.
Tekanizo za President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ngwenda kubasiba bari kugonza bamwe bale kwerekeza sente kuzahura abakira bagamba ngwa ahura bagayiga nangwa obora bagotungiro no bora batungiro mutwaro gumu obalire muganezo kuahura mu budget yawo nobo ya kuahura mutwaro gumu esente zo mpaka zikwindura nizikora keki otani.
There is a number of challenges which are kind of brought about by the implementers. Leadership in everything is very, very important. And development must not be looked at that it is something that should be done by everybody. Development is a science. And what you need to know, I'm a development specialist. And for that matter, a rural development specialist. So like if you look at, for example, the Parish Development Model has got 7 pillars. Now the pillar that is supposed to precede the others, which is called the mindset change pillar, actually has been relegated to the periphery. And yes, this should be the epicenter.
Dr. Emily Kugonza uri myeshengera ababuyanja East yashobora ngwentekatekeji ya istya imyaka 3 ngo kandi egenderire okubingo bworo byaro 200 mu district age ate nko kwihanangiriza barisa hamwe nabihinje mu kicekeci okwatanisiza hamwe ogurebekango baganyira mu ntekatekeji babasa kubingo bworo makagabo
bata nabandi agatera ine niko gata ekukoro niko ganyenyama so omukweterana ni hali amani hati kikangira ngo amani kugamba kurwanaga naki baitu no kurwanisa obunako ntutekwa kuba nikora tuti hati buka no yenda kwa ukana habandi to kwica kore byabandi bakozere otekwa kora hebya ukaino ebindi abo kubo bunako butukwa zawo kya rero tali ndwaita umulembe guno abandi bayisenkurite bakabanako bayisenkurite bakabanako kakubo kore bakozere byabayicha bunako naibo noija kumaliro so Kanzali uri mu muhanda umkyaka okura kwaterana kwa lete center kyara abantu basore kore kurafurana
abaturage abatari bamwe na bamwe abagamba buno mushaki wetu basimo mu bembezi w'ihanga hamwe n'umunyeshengero wabo abwenteka nungi ezibari kutiranguza bahwerere mununga kubingo boro makagabo
Tevinga no kwaura kinkolire kurunji muno abo kuba emiro bwa izibu ya izire atankirose vinyo kikatukolera nkaitwa abakazi abali tusigali twatandika naito kufuna ingeri turafunamu biziza abana
mwezi kusevinga muno kulipa kasevinga muno etonga milioni yemo era icyo milioni mutu kanditunga kurunji muno kandi sene tukuzeora kandi already no Mr. Jade tulimire ebintu tuzeya kasente era tujja kweza muno kusingaho buli icyo
tweoze sente abana baitu tubaherereire tubaire kurungi tuguzire bisoro mu maka bije buno tituli kubi